I just received my Boxy Charm box, August edition. It's supposed to have the Laura Lee palette and hopefully I get some House of Lashes. Let's go open it. Comes in a pretty box like this. This Boxy Charm. What a harsh thing to do. Okay. So I open it and it looks like this. Comes with a little Boxy Charm with a 20% off code. And I got the lashes. Yes. Oh my god. Okay. So these House of Lashes in a bombshell. Ooh. I'm so excited. Save the best for last. Bang Beauty. What is this? Gel lighter. That's cool. Some, I don't know how to pronounce this, but it's some organic infused aging defining nail treatment. Ooh, I need that for my nails, definitely. And ooh, the Smashbox Be Legendary lipstick. I believe it's probably like a maroon red. Comes with 3 Wonder packets for the like under eye gold masses, which I'm so excited for. And lastly, this Laura Lee palette from Gloss. Oh my god, I've been waiting to get my hands on this. Oh, it's so cute. Party animal. Oh my gosh. The colors are so vibrant. Oh. Ah. Oh my god. Okay, let's watch them. So, let's go in and swatch them. This one is called Hungover. The pink one with little pretty sparkles is called Bottoms Up. This one is called Drinks. The dark blue is called Karaoke, Damage Control, and it's a party. Look at all these beautiful colors. So pretty. I'm so happy that Boxy Charm collabed with Laura Lee. It's such a beautiful palette and she worked so hard on this with like all the rumors going on around. I hope the best for Laura. This is basically everything that came in the box. It came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 7 and 8 items for the August box. So yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed to them, go subscribe. It's only $21 a month, which is so like mind-blowing for how much products you actually get, and they're like full-size products. This video is not sponsored whatsoever. I just am so excited to have this palette. So, oh wow. Yes, I need this for my nails. I'm about to put some on right now. Awesome. This is only my 2nd ever box that I've got. I wish I subscribed to them sooner, but I don't know what I was thinking.